Oh, here they come, ladies.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Pattaya Country Club, 200 caddies to choose. JJ sets up the caddies, I am not planning to lose. Orange and green, what they rockin', get it poppin'. You already know it's caddy of the day, Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, caddy of the day, Let's go.
Oh, good.
Welcome back to Pattaya Country Club, what I call the home course. During the dry season, over 2 million people crowd into this small beach town every year. The females are as beautiful as ever. They vary in age. While the more experienced women know how to work their hands, others use youth to their advantage. The caddies here are no different. What better way to enjoy a round of golf than having a beautiful caddy cater to your every whim? Golf within itself is a great sport, but to have an excellent caddy takes golfing to the next level. Handing you your clubs in the tee box, finding your ball in the rough, and even raking the sand when you hit a beach shot. These caddies are well-trained and well-mannered. An experienced caddy knows the course as well as her own body. She reads the green and will even set up your putt if requested. These caddies are fun, friendly, flirty, and a lot of times single. Back to golf. Look how this portly gentleman dances a jig. Obviously happy with his caddy. You can't make this shit up.
Big down.
You see, all the travel OG has to do is put that little white ball in the bigger round hole. A 12-foot putt. 50 snapperoonies on the line. Will he choke under the pressure?
Missed it by that much.
Zoom to Thailand. I see you out there, Richie Mac. We're golfing as soon as I get there.
All right. 10 days. 5 courses. 1 goal.
To experience the time of your life. Y'all ready to golf in the land of smiles? Zoom to Thailand is looking for private investors and public sponsors to help make this amazing event take place. I can't do it alone, y'all. This is a private event for people that enjoy golfing that you don't want to miss. Prizes will be given. Tournaments will be won. Celebrities will be invited. Hearts will be broken. And yes, the caddies are included. Sponsorships for the Zoom to Thailand Celebrity Golf Tournament is starting at just $5,000. But without the right sponsors, it's a wrap. With your help, I knew we could put the Celebrity Golf Tournament on sometime in the early part of 2023. Make sure to email us at info@zoomtothailand.com. That's info@zoomtothailand.com. Why not give yourself the perfect reason to be in Thailand on a business trip? A legitimate sponsorship. You dig? Lego.
Put like I put. I can do that.
Working with this my caddy today. Her name is Porn. Porn is her name. Tell them your name. What's your name?
Name Porn.
Name is Porn. You hear that? She playing the guitar and everything. Okay, play the guitar, baby. Put it on. It's like a beautiful little landscape scenery over there. Oh, did he make it? They do everything. We don't touch nothing but the club when we hit it.
Huh?
And the ball when we pick it up.
Wait. She said something. Say it again.
Oh, Silky. He got a par. I didn't get it on tape, so I don't believe you.
A woman.
Come on, Teddy.
Birdie.
She said he got a birdie. We out here.
We out here with Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand, you dig?
I'm live.
Yes, sir.
Hole number 4.
Hole number 4. Yes, sir. Hole number 4. Look at this look good in anything. Imagine this in a polyester outfit. They can make it look like that. What do you think it looks like when they throw on a nice form-fitting dress? Alright, this is my new caddy today. What's your name? Bang. Her name is Bang. You Thai or you Isan? Isan. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Suwa. You know, when my neighborhood, where they come from, they say Suwa. That sounds close to Suwa. She gotta watch his ball. Look at she stay on it. See, the others can play around when it ain't their man's turn, but when it's their man's turn. Come on, Ted. Then he have to go back and get his ball. Can't make this shit up. She come back and. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
All right.
This one right here, boy. She don't know. She already know what it is. I have more fun on the golf course than I do on the major streets and stuff. Cause this was, oh, there you go. Get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Come on, baby. Let you do that. You guys, Cannon is up. You got to watch Cannon. Watch your hand. Cannon about to. Do we come for this shot up too? Do we come for us up too, Cannon? All right. Can you come, John? Wait a minute. Winnie the Pooh's about to hit the ball. Winnie the Pooh and Hank Aaron had a baby. Oh, and it's out of there. Oh boy. It is what it is. I got it.
You edit out the first mess up. Never happened. Never happened.
Oh, that's nice.
That happened.
There you go. Oh, there you go.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Oh, good shot. Good shot, cowboy.
I got it. Look at Winnie the Pooh bending it over, twerking it. Look, twerking Winnie the Pooh. Nice shot. Ooh, they clapping for that. She clapping for that. Bye-bye. Caddy. Wait, more Winnie the Pooh. I need the caddies. No, I want you out of this. I need it. This for my montage. There we go. Have fun dancing. Move, Winnie the Pooh. You fucked up my shot, man.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Pattaya Country Club, 200 caddies to choose. JJ sets up the caddies, I am not planning to lose. Orange and green, what they rockin', get it poppin'. You already know it's caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.